Are you thinking about getting married? Or are you already married and wondering what have you really achieved by being married for so long? Then this video is for you. Hi there, welcome to this episode of Love Bites with my husband Dr. Girish Kumar, who is the founder and chief healing officer at Human Connect.
Love you all. And this is my wife, Jyotsna.
And in this video, Girish is going to share with you what is the number one secret about marriage that no one has ever told you.
So, I had learned so many, attended so many programs and learned so many concepts from different gurus, trainers. So, from the east, from the west. So, all these things went up and down, understanding my life better in terms of quantum physics, pranic healing, theta healing, um, food, nutrition, whatever it is there in this earth. I had went and learned from different gurus. But I can say one thing that made me to understand me better and connect me better is that marriage is the best self-development program in this planet Earth. I will strongly say that because I have seen so many people coming to me and they are confused and lost after they get married, or people who have got married, when they understand marriage deeper, their life is changed. So that's what I'm going to share with you for this video.
Sure. So what you're saying is, in spite of going around the world and learning from a lot of people, I'm sure you've learned so many things, right? But you still feel that marriage has taught you more than everything else. So what really makes you say that, Girish? And why do you think this is one secret that nobody talks about?
Because most of people does not understand marriage as the husband and wife are in the same court. Always we feel that the marriage is all about that husband is one court and wife is in one court. But I strongly say that when you came into my life, it's like a mirror. Okay, so I saw myself in the mirror and I understood what is my strength and what is my weakness. So
Sure.
I understood that lots I should develop as a person after getting married to you.
Yeah, when we are single, our mind wants to protect us all the time, so it does not let us face the reality many a times. We
Yes.
know there are certain things which should be improved, but we don't look at those areas because our mind will not let us do that. But when you're married, your spouse becomes your mirror and they will immediately reflect and tell you what are the things that you need to work on.
Yes.
Even both your strengths and your
Yes.
weaknesses, right?
So to take the marriage to the next level, and why I say marriage is always number one institute of self development is that when you want to continue with that relationship, the negative qualities in us should be worked. Otherwise, it is very difficult for us to love, because love is an energy which is from within. For that to expand, we should work on the negative qualities which our spouse had told us. So
Yeah.
most of the relationship breaks because when a spouse says that this is a negative thing that you have, some people will say that my spouse does not apologize to me. So that is a negative energy that they have. They don't apologize to the spouse, but the other places they will do. So always you should understand that people are not same, because we have both the sides. We have negative and positive. Some place we will be more apologetic and we say everything there to be make it things work. But when it comes to marriage, when we take things are granted, that's time it will not be working. So exactly your spouse will say that this is what you should
Yeah.
work on
But
it.
what I've also noticed is, your parents may point it out, your friends may point it out, but sometimes we don't take it seriously. We don't want to work on it. But I've seen a lot of people work on their negative qualities once they get married, because they love their spouse so much that they are happy to work on their negative side. They actually enjoy working on their negative qualities and overcoming that. In fact, I think last year we attended a program by Tony Robbins,
Yes.
and this is what he said, that
Correct.
we always do more for the people we love than what we do for ourselves. So I think that is another great reason to get married, because whatever you could not change all this while, because of that one special person, you may actually feel good about making that change.
Yes. So that's again, it's an internal energy. That's as I told that this institute can change anything in our life and can get everything. All its intention how you keep this institution go forward.
Yeah.
And next thing that I want to say that it's help us to develop our skills very strongly, very deeply. When two person comes in, developing skills become very easy.
Yeah. And there are certain skills which are actually important life skills which we don't know that we lack. But when you marry a person, they may have those skills and you may want to, learn it from them.
So
For example,
yeah.
after marrying Girish, I started learning how to forgive people. I used to hold on to grudges for years, but he has the skill of forgiving people so easily. Then once I realized it's not serving me in any way, that's one good quality that I'm trying to incorporate in my life.
Yes, I should appreciate her for that, because that's made me also easier with in our marriage. It's easy to help each other, helps to forgive each other. And when she started to do that skills, because Jyotsna is one of lot of values, lots of energy. She motivates people. All those things is one quality I'd seen that in her. It's little pulls her little back, but after nowadays she can forgive people very fast. For me, after getting married to Jyotsna, one of the biggest strength I got it is like saving the money, because I was not good at that, because I earn, I spend. So she always have a tab that how much we are earning, how much we are spending. That quality that we are developed now. I think that we have a financial advisor who takes care of our money and take care of everything. So this is the new skills that we develop. So like that, so many spouse comes to us, work with us, and a couple or separately, I see that they develop different skills after the marriage.
So true.
So one more thing I want to add to it is that in a marriage, after getting married, your heart becomes so stronger. You know what is the reason for that? Because you love your loved ones so much. When they hurt you little, you get wound very deeper. So
Right.
that's where it is. It's not about big or small. It's wound is wound. So this is where it is like going to the gym. So when you want a six packs, what we do, we go to the gym and make workout. It's a pain. Same way when you want to work on the marriage with lots of love, the test will be like the pain. Pain is like whatever you say, they don't understand and we misunderstand each other. It's like the marriage, we work on it that so that your heart becomes so powerful to take anything. That's where
Yeah.
I think that Jyotsna told that no, she's able to forgive me very fast and forgive others very fast, because maybe she had got hurt because of me so many times. Maybe she is able to develop that muscle so fast that she can take her life and my life together forward.
I also think, especially if somebody is a big player, you want to achieve big things in life. You want to serve the world. You want to make a big impact on people's lives. It all starts with loving your spouse. If you're able to love them and work on that, heart muscle, and you're able to open up your heart and give fully, that is like a very strong foundation for you to later go and expand that and give, serve the world.
Yes, I strongly feel that it's very powerful as an husband and wife. That's what I told them. No, when I started the video, being in the same court and being saving yourself to grow. So for me, even the video which I want to do, I had a fear of early to do video alone. But when Jyotsna told that she will join with me, it gives me more confidence to talk and because to get gel with each other very fast. Anything I miss, she will add into this and make things very fruitful for people who are watching this video. Also, it's all are in the flow. So tomorrow, when we want to play a big role, as Jyotsna told, it's very important that your strength is your spouse. Not after marriage, if you see that everything works around with your spouse, anything that you want to do in your life and the spouse is in your own space, you will get that extra push, extra love, extra support, whatever you do. That when your spouse is with us, and this energy will be multiplied and magnified very powerfully to get the result very easily.
Sure.
So that's why I say that the secret to take your life to next level, to marry with an intention that you are going to develop the person who are coming to your life, and same way vice versa. By helping others, that helping your spouse, you are directly helping you to grow very strongly, very powerfully, and that love can be seen everywhere. When you go as a couple, they will see you as a blessed
A power
and
couple.
power couple. That's what
Yeah.
we are now, Jyotsna, I developing that thing that we should be very strong in our relationship, so that we develop as a power couple and we can touch, move, inspire many people in that energy.
So true. I also feel that marriage helps you to confront your fears also. For me personally, I had a lot of irrational fears. Like even having kids was something that I never imagined, because that was a big fear for me. So there are so many such small things which was really occupying a big mind space for me. I was able to release all of that after I got married. So I'm sure if you look into your life, if you're already married, there could be some fears which you had initially, but because you are now married, because you're a more responsible person now, you would have probably overcome those fears.
Yes, that's a very good point that you have shared. So many people are not getting married because of this one reason. They feel that it's a responsibility, and I can say that yes, we had this fear, and when we took responsibility for that, when I supported her and say that we can overcome this. Now we have two children, and for second kid, I and Jyotsna did not get any help from even our parents. They had that, but we thought that we will take that responsibility and raise up that kid. Same way the fears that you have, please connect and see how it is. So everything needs love, everything needs help from each other. So marriage is a beautiful life event that I personally feel that one should have. And again, it's a choice. It's a marriage is a choice of commitment.
Sure. I feel there are people who are married for years, decades, but they do not realize that marriage has helped them in so many ways. It is the best self development program in the world. So, if you're married or if you're planning to get married, our invitation to you is to just be aware that marriage can make wonders in your life if you are really aware that it's going to have all these amazing benefits in your life.
So, love you. Take care. Have a beautiful married life. Choice is yours always.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to also become a part of Human Connect Soul Family Facebook group. It's a free Facebook group. The link is there right below this video. Make sure you join that. But if you also feel that you need immediate help, you want to speak to Girish, then we have our Human Connect healing application form also linked below this video. Fill it out and get a chance to have a one-on-one discussion with Girish. We'll see you in the next episode of Love Bites.
Bye.